All right guys, so about a couple years ago, we finally designed a skid that will work in vans, and every skid is a little bit different in size, a little bit different for the van. Our skids are fully customizable depending on the van size, depending on the color you want. There's so many options, but today we're gonna give you a rundown with what the skid is about, what's included on the skid, and what you can customize on it. As you look behind this here, this is a skid built for a transit Ford van. Every skid is a little bit different as far as customizing it, but this skid has a gas Honda GX200 pressure washer with a cat pump. You can also put an electric pressure washer on the same skid. It comes with an air compressor, 50-foot hose reel, also comes with a vacuum aid as well. We also have a 50-foot electric reel, 50-foot air hose, and a 50-foot pressure washer hose. This customer decided that he wanted to go with a foam cannon mount on the backside of the skid, so that's also an option that we did. So this is the backside of the skid. This is where the vacuum aid mount goes. This is where the vacuum aid goes. There is also a generator slide out tray, keeps the exhaust from really going inside the van, keeps it from sliding out, that way you can go through the side doors. So we have a 5,000 watt North Star generator. You can also opt for a 2,500 watt. They're both inverter generators, super quiet, but will run the full skid. Now to the inside of the van. The inside of the van is also fully customizable. We'll start here with the doors. So the doors, you can opt for the door plate that's diamond plated, powder coated, any color you would like. You can also put any organizer that you prefer on the doors. Most of the time it's bottle holders, but you can also opt for pressure washer foam cannon holders, the pressure washer gun, buff pad holders, brush holders. So there's many options. We can go over those. There's also, it's on the form. Both doors can get the same thing. You can also get full diamond plate on the inside of the van, more organizers. So it's fully optional and fully customizable depending on your needs, budget, and what you guys exactly want. So I think one of the coolest things about our skids is, first of all, they're built out of all aluminum, so they won't rust. They're super lightweight. It keeps it really simple and easy to work with. Secondly, is we built them pallet height. So, you know, a motor ever goes down, a transmission, if you crash it, unfortunately, you can pick it up with a forklift and move it to a different van. Moving this skid in and out of vans, quick, easy, they're super efficient. Another really cool part of our skids is you can powder coat it any color you would like. Two-tone, single color. If you want more of a matte, more of a shiny finish, the options are endless. So that's a brief overview of the skid. If you want one, just give us a call. If you have any questions, give us a call. We have a form online that you can also fill out. We have a beautiful van build page on the website you can